I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to cut candles. You can get all kinds of candles, pillar candles, votive candles, or long tapers like this. And sometimes when you're bringing them home, they get dented up or whatever, or if you have them in storage or just in use, sometimes they get dented up. And you want to try to make them look uniform. Or you just might want to give them some texture because you like that look to begin with. You take any kind of craft edging scissor like this, or you can take a serrated knife. Be very careful, especially if children are doing this, to supervise them. And you just take the candle and you scrape it along, and you'll see the curls of wax coming off. And you just cut into the candle. You can do the whole candle, or you can just do certain areas of the candle. You can do the bottom and then just kind of fade into it and leave the top undone. All kinds of effects. And it gives an interesting texture to the candle. It's a great way to do damage control when the candle has dents in it. And that's how you cut a candle. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining.